which is that if we delete the first room, it sticks around and we stay in that room. It doesn't ever redirect. So here's what's happening. We update state. So our rooms list gets updated. And now rooms, square bracket, that room name points to null. And we wait until that's happened to call load valid room. And then it calls object.keys on this.state.rooms. Well, guess what? That key is still in this.state.rooms. It's just pointing at null. It doesn't actually get removed from state until it is synced with Firebase. So that's our problem here. So we could make sure that that's a real thing before we actually push that onto history. So we could do something like this. Object.keys, whatever, map, room name, if this dot state, if this dot state dot room name, dot rooms, square bracket room name. So that'll be null if it's the deleted one. Otherwise, it'll be a real thing. Then we can update history. And just return. See the difference? Yeah, for each would be fine instead of map. Not doing anything with the return value, not even returning anything. The problem here is this is just going to return out of this. We want to actually return out of the entire function. And I don't know that we can break here, so we really only want this to go until an actual for loop might actually be a better bet here, which I hate. Because they're ugly. You could do a filter, maybe. That'd still do too many things. I could do a find JavaScript array find returns the value of the first element in the array that satisfies the provided testing function. So it goes until it finds one match, and then it stops. So all we need to do in this inner function is return this.state.rooms, square bracket, room name. So if that's truthy, then that'll be the one. So const real room name equals that, and this is awfully long line. Then we can say I didn't mean to actually take this off, but this dot props dot history dot push slash rooms slash real room name. So you see what I'm doing there? It'll find will keep going until it finds anything for which this is truthy. As soon as it finds a truthy answer to that, it'll stop and it'll assign it to that. So let's try that out. If I try it on test, let's make sure it works on things that are not the last one, or not the first one. That's fine. If I do it on general, okay, It moves me to random. We fixed it. We always want a general chat. Cool. All right. Excuse me? Yeah, for just a moment. Just a moment. Fix issue with removing the first room in the list.